Come on. You can fly it. Fucking beautiful on a burger!
It's called silver fir. That's a plant Maori likes.
We have to cross the way like this. Fucking cold! Ah! Enjoying your ride?
Yes, I like driving in this windy road.
Oh.
Really exciting.
Mountains. You love to drive in mountains?
Yeah.
How about, would you like to drive in Indian Himalayas sometime?
Yeah, why not?
Do you think you can drive in altitudes above 8,000 meter?
Yeah, why not? What's the difference? I'm still driving a car.
Altitude difference.
Yeah.
Much
What's
higher.
gonna be different?
First of all, you're going to have, those high altitude sickness problems. Like, I hope not, but there could be. So you need to be acclimatized with the altitude first. You might feel dizzy, nauseatic. How about that? Do you think?
I had that. When I was in Tibet, I had that for a few days.
When you were in Tibet?
Yeah.
Yeah, that happens.
Altitude was not even that high.
Yeah, so acute mountaineering sickness is quite a real thing in Himalayas.
Do you have those symptoms yourself?
No, I never had those, thankfully. But it's not like, even if I'm well trained, I have trekked over there, I've been a trek leader, doesn't matter, it can happen to the best of them all. But you just gotta be very prepared. Make sure that you drink lots and lots of water and do not ascend more than 3,000 feet altitude. No, it's alright. You want to?
Up to you.
No, it's alright. Yeah. I've seen better views in Himalayas than this. Beautiful on a burger! So we are at Lake Vanaka. So amazing, so beautiful. We have mountains on our right and a lake, blue lake on our left. How beautiful this is. Let's go! Yeah, a lot of bees.
Hide your balls.
What? Now we are heading towards the Blue Pools Trek. Here we go. Lots of mosquitoes here. Hey. How many mosquitoes?
How many?
I haven't counted it, but a lot.
Do you think I can fly the drone very well in the jungle?
Why not? I can even fly on this trek.
Pilot
follow
saw
me.
me so confident.
Yeah, it can hover me on top of my head and can shoot every single step of ours. You want to fly it?
No, not
Why?
under this condition. Too many trees.
Too many trees?
Yeah.
Come on. You can fly it. Not a big deal.
Yeah, let's save us some batteries.
Oh, did we bought some batteries?
Check it.
Yes, they are there.
Okay, Captain did his job.
Oh, that's my job now?
Yeah.
To take care of this?
Yeah.
Okay, lady.
plant. It's called manuka. It's special in this country. So New Zealand is famous of its honey, and the most expensive of all is manuka honey. So the manuka honey is from the flowers of the trees, and the bees get honey.
Uh-huh.
And then they say manuka honey is really good for your health, boosts your immune system. Don't know, blah blah blah. And
Got
it's
it.
from this tree.
Got it. And what about the silver fern?
The silver fir, long story, next time.
Come on, guy, tell me.
There's no silver fir. Let's wait until we see one. We'll show them.
Okay, we'll see that on our way.
Maybe we'll see.
Okay, but what's the story about silver fern? That's the fern on their New Zealand flag, right?
Yes. The New Zealand passport, they have the fir on it. It's called silver fir. That's a plant Maori likes. So back in the old times, they don't have the light. And when Maori has to go out for hunting, for food collection at night, when they come home, they worry they get lost. So they just take the branches of the fir and they spray it on the road. And when they come back home, the reflection on the back of the fir would guide them the way through home because it looks silver at night.
Oh, that's the story of silver fern.
Yes,
How come you know all this?
I just know it.
Okay, I believe you. Nice bridge walk. Are you ready? We have to cross the way like this. And it's really cold and blue. Ready for it?
No.
Come on, come on. We can do this. I can carry you. You want to be carried away? Let's go. Maybe this is the way, but this is fucking chilly. Ooh. Ready to be carried away?
No.
Yeah, you are. Let's go. Trust me.
Okay, start recording now.
You have?
Yes, I have.
Okay then. Oh,
I'm
fucking
shaking.
cold. Don't
Are
worry.
you sure?
Don't worry. It's fucking cold. Fuck. That's fucking cold. I can
Should
tell you
be.
this. Ah. Oh. Let's go.
Start already.
Oh. Oh, fucking cold. Fucking cold. Ah. Fuck. Like an ice bath. Fuck. Ah.